With employee records, earnings, and deductions fully configured, the next step in payroll preparation is generating the payroll worksheet. This is where all payroll data is brought together, reviewed, and finalized before processing. In this video, we'll be covering the monthly payroll worksheet. To begin, navigate to the Payroll menu and select Payroll Worksheet. From the Worksheet screen, click New. Select the applicable pay cycle, in this case a monthly payroll, and define the payroll period. For example, May 1st to May 31st establishes the time frame for this payroll run. TTPay offers flexible employee selection. You can generate worksheets for specific groups by applying filters such as branch, departmental workgroup, or individual employees. After applying your filters, click Create to generate a preliminary list of employees. From this dialog, you can review and deselect any individuals who should not be included. Once confirmed, select Generate. TTPay creates a payroll worksheet automatically populating each employee with their predefined earnings and deductions, as configured in their profiles and system setup. No re-entry of data is required. Each employee's payroll data is displayed in detail. For example, Kellyanne's salary is already defined, and statutory deductions such as pay as you earn, NIS, and health surcharge are calculated automatically. Similarly, other employees like Khalifa appear with their complete payroll details ready for review. If adjustments such as bonuses, commissions, or overtime are required, they can be added directly within the payroll worksheet. Once entered, TTPay automatically recalculates taxes and deductions. After reviewing and updating the worksheet, you can generate a summary report. This provides a consolidated view of all employees, including earnings, deductions, and net pay, grouped for easy analysis. At the bottom of the report, total earnings, total deductions, and overall net pay are displayed. This allows payroll administrators to validate the entire payroll run before finalization. For deeper visibility, TTPay offers detailed report formats. These provide a line-by-line breakdown of each employee's earnings and deductions. This supports audit requirements and the internal verification process. Once the worksheet is finalized, it can be closed and posted. Opened worksheets are highlighted in magenta, indicating they are still editable, while closed worksheets appear in black, confirming that the payroll is locked and ready for processing. With the worksheet complete, TTPay prepares your payroll for final output, including payslips and electronic bank submissions through the automated clearinghouse. In the next video, we generate a weekly payroll worksheet. TTPay. Simply better payroll.